Hey folks, I am going to make just a really quick video on how to make a screencast using Screencastify. And I will start with the fact that you have no Screencastify account. Just Google it, click here. You'll see mine says already installed. If you do not have it, I think you'll click this and then you'll click it again very soon afterwards. The whole process from Googling Screencastify to having it installed is super fast. I think like 10 seconds. All right. Once you have it installed, this is a Google Chrome extension, so it does pop up very nicely here on your desktop, right on this bar here, this red arrow. So if I want to make a recording, I click this. It gives me options: webcam, desktop, browser tab. I use one of these two generally. If I'm doing a Google Slides presentation, I tend to do the browser tab. For other presentations, I typically do desktop. Desktop is nice because it allows me to kind of float between different tabs and show you what's going on, which is generally how I use this. So let's record. So once you hit record, and I'm doing the desktop, it asks me which window. I really only have this one. Some of you might be working with external screens. All right, click hide. And now we are recording. You'll see there is a little toolbar down here. It does a few different things. I have this on, which you can see the little mouse will disappear. It has some other features as well. This is a spotlight if you want to draw attention to something. I think this works particularly nice if you're maybe you're presenting on Renaissance art, drawing attention to some really cool details of a painting. I don't know, but there's other reasons why you might use that spotlight feature. Let's turn that off. You can write on things. Another way just to draw attention to items, erase it. You can erase it like this, or I think more often than not, what you'll probably do is just erase the whole thing. So click on the eraser, go here, done. This is probably clear enough. It is a camera. Turning that off. Okay. And so not a whole lot of bells and whistles, but I think appropriate. Let me take you through the back end here. So we're stopping our video. Here we go. Stop. We'll take you to this screen. We did a very short video. Looks like it's 1:22 here. So it is already loaded. I go to more options. Once this happens, more options, click to public. I don't know, some of you might just rather put it on Seattle Academy so everyone with that domain can read things. I just, with remote learning, I'm just throwing everything out there to public. Copy link, and there you have it.